guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Guess what? Well, you probably already know by the title and intro of this video, but today I have a thrift haul. In case you missed my video last week, I did go on a little thrifting road trip. It was so much fun. I went to 5 different stores. I did find lots of really good things for summer. We have some sandals, Capris, y2k tops, fun accessories, etc. And I may or may not have found my literal dream bag from the early 2000s. Anyways, I figured I would do a little haul slash try on and styling for you guys. I can't wait to show you everything that I got. Oh, and I also have 2 things from Facebook Marketplace to show you and maybe some PR packages to unbox. Let's get into it. I literally don't even know where to start because everything is just so good. Let's start with this super fun vintage top. I was so excited when I found this in a Goodwill in the middle of nowhere. The pattern just screams early 2000s to me. Love the red and pink combo with the black. It's got polka dots, stripes, florals, literally everything. It's kind of loud, but it's fun. I'm also really into these like y2k tops that have like the built-in belt, that tie in the back. I feel like they're just really flattering and you can just like adjust the waist, which I love. Super soft and silky and flowy, perfect for summer. It looks really good with my low-rise flare jeans, some black heels. Like, look how cute this is. I love the like square neckline too with the black outline. I feel like that's so cute. The brand is My Michelle and I got this for $5. And then at that same Goodwill, I actually got this Hollister white lace cami for $4. Just a nice, plain, basic, essential to add to my closet. You can never have too many of these in my opinion. I'm always reaching for these to layer with a bunch of my tops. Also just a really big fan of Hollister lace camis if you didn't know. I just love the fit of them. They're like super long and fitted and I just love when the lace pokes out of my tops. I honestly don't know if this is older Hollister or not. I can't really tell. Here's the tag. It kind of feels like it, but the inside tag is cut out, so I don't really know. I also was just so surprised that this was in perfect condition. I always get scared when I find all white things at a thrift store because normally there's some stain hidden somewhere, but this was in like perfect condition. I feel like I got lucky. Also, here's the back. It's got a super cute racer back with lace straps. And then of course we have the bird logo at the bottom. Next up, a W find by my boyfriend. I actually cannot believe he found this. It is this 2000s Charlotte Russe studded black denim vest. Isn't this like the coolest vest ever? The answer is yes. I love the silver studs all along the front. Here's the back. It's got some back there too. I feel like this will be great for layering over things, but I feel like I could also wear it just as a top on its own. I feel like that would be a vibe. And the tag came off, so I don't remember how much this was, but I know it was under $10, so it was quite the steal. I feel like this is so like edgy, cool. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. So I just had to get this. Ooh, okay, next is another fun pattern top from the early 2000s. Look at her. Oh my God, wait till you see the back. Oh wait, hold on, let me fix it. Oh my God, so freaking cute. Are you kidding me? I saw someone comment on my last video when I tried this on. They were like, please tell me you got that because it looks so good. For some reason, I was unsure about this one when I saw it on the hanger. But of course, once I tried it on, I instantly fell in love. Like the lilac purple belt on it. Are you kidding? It even has like lilac trim on the sleeves, which I thought was such a cute touch. And the sleeves are like sheer. So cute. Layered it over the white lace cami that we got, of course. Look how cute that is. This is just iconic. I love this. And again, fitted at the waist, but then it flows out. I just love that silhouette right now. I think this was the most expensive thing that I got. It was $18. And then I also got this vintage black cropped 3/4 sleeve bolero. It's kind of hard to tell what it is just by me holding it up, so you have to see in the try on, but she was really cute. I honestly really liked this. It's very lightweight. It's kind of like that slinky, stretchy material, so I thought it would be good for summer just to throw on over literally any top that I have. It will go with everything, obviously, because it's black. The brand is Be Smart. It's got the vintage paper tag, and this was $10. Okay, and then I got not 1 pair, not 2 pair, but 3 pair of cargo capris. Yeah, They're all the same brand and size, obviously, so they definitely came from the same person. I feel like I've just been living in capris so far this spring and now into summer. These are just perfect. They're nice and lightweight, they're baggy, obviously more of that cargo pant style. And you can cinch the bottom of the legs too, which I love. So I did get the plain black. These are just very early 2000s to me too, for some reason. I also got this tan pair. These are just gonna be perfect. I have something similar, but not quite this color and style, so I thought I would get these too. And then lastly, I got this really pretty blue color. I think these might be my favorite ones out of the three, just because they're a little bit more unique and bright, and I just don't really have anything like this. So I feel like they'll be really fun to style. But yeah, they look super cute with sandals, platforms, even sneakers too. And I feel like I can really, again, dress them up or down. So I figured I would just get all three colors. Why not? Okay, I was gonna do accessories at the end of this video, but I literally cannot wait to show you guys this any longer. Definitely my favorite find from the entire haul. If you watched last week's video, then you already know how hyped I was when I found this. Oh my god, you're joking. You're joking. I literally can't believe it. Vintage Dooney & Bourke from 2004 from the infamous Heart and Charm collection featuring Lindsay Lohan. Yes, take it in. Take it in. Let's admire her together. I found this in a random Goodwill in Sedona, and guess how much it was? $10. $10. I feel like if I found this at my normal Goodwills, this would be like at least $30. That is a steal. Technically, it was like $8 because I had a coupon. These are selling for like $200 on Depop and stuff. It's insane. I always see this collection on like TikTok and Pinterest. It's very sought after. I definitely think I need to start finding all of them so I can build the entire collection. Let's get a close-up of the details. How freaking cute and colorful. Perfect for summer. It's got the charms that say Dooney & Bourke. It's got the little duck logo and this leather star, and it's kind of like a bucket bag style. It's got the drawstring, which sadly is a little bit messed up. This just came apart down here, but I think I should be able to like stitch that back together. I feel like that's an easy fix, and then just clean it up overall and she'll be good as new. This is everything. Oh, matches my outfit today. I love it. Here we go. $10. $10. Insane. Okay, last clothing item that I thrifted is this vintage leather fringe vest. I feel like this is not something I would normally gravitate towards, but Zach found it for me and I feel like it's really cool. Again, very cool girl, very edgy. I will definitely have some fun styling this. I honestly love the red floral accents on it. It's got the giant red rose on the back. I feel like this is literally what made me get it. And of course the fringe, and it's got the lace up sides. I feel like I can lean more into like the westerny vibe, the edgy vibe, you know, just like switch things up. It's always fun to do that. The brand is First Genuine Leather. This was more pricey. I think this was like 30 something. So actually this is the most expensive thing that I got, but totally worth it because it is real leather. Super cool. Okay, now we have my little fun bag full of accessories. First up, I did get one pair of shoes. These vintage Italian shoemakers, little kitten heel sandals. I love these. Oh my gosh. The straps actually have little sequins on them. I don't know if you can tell. Super cute. And like, why are these the most comfy heels I've ever tried on? Literally ever. They're like so squishy. I love these because they really are just casual, but I can wear them with dressy outfits and they'd be perfect because I got the little heel. The heel is so tiny, but I love it. Super comfy. I feel like I could wear these for hours, no problem. And of course, they're gonna match everything in my closet. So I had to get these. These were $8 and made in Italy. I also got this little string beaded belt. I love belts like these, especially in the summer, obviously. Just gives that like beachy vibe. Here's the beads and it's suede. And you obviously just like tie it around your waist. I love how it looks with like the strings hanging down. It's just a vibe with like a flowy maxi skirt, some kitten heels. This is gonna eat. So just decided to pick that up for the summer. Okay, another one of my favorite finds. This was at the same Goodwill that I found the Dooney & Bourke bag. It's this really cute y2k army green hat, but I love the little pink details on it. Look at the flower. It's got a zipper on the front, cute little cargo pocket on the side, more pink on the top. I feel like this is just so me. And I just love the pink flower. I can't get over it. It's a little hibiscus flower, I think. I feel like this is perfect on me. I love it. I just feel like I'll wear that so much this summer. I also did get this scarf and it actually came with a little matching bag. But look how cute. I feel like this is very Hannah Montana. She would definitely rock this. It's like sheer black with like iridescent rainbow sequins. I almost said sprinkles. Not sprinkles, sequins. This was $10 for the little set. Look how cute the matching bag is. It's kind of just like a little coin purse, but I thought it was just so cute. I just love finding unique accessories like this. And then the last thing I thrifted are these super cute pink beaded cherry blossom earrings. I feel like I've been trying to find more like colorful jewelry. All my jewelry is pretty much silver, so I thought these would be a fun little pop of color, and I wear a lot of pink, so obviously this is perfect. They were $8, so I did pick those up as well. All right, now let's get into my Facebook Marketplace finds. I was so excited to show you guys these. The first thing I actually got a while ago. I already wore it in one of my videos, so you might have seen it, but it is this vintage Harley Davidson tank. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is like 100% my vibe, and of course my boyfriend Zach found it for me on Facebook. It got recommended to him. He like made me a y2k vintage clothing mystery box before, and he bought a bunch of stuff on Facebook, so he always gets recommended clothes that are my vibe. He'll send them to me and he'll just be like, you have to get this. So this was one of them. Of course I got it. I just love the color combo of it. The like bubblegum pink with the brown trim and the turquoise blue letters. It's got a bunch of rhinestones. Here's the back, super cute too. And then I love the little graphic on the bottom too. And funny story, I was scrolling on my saved pins on Pinterest the other day looking for some inspo, and I literally saw a picture of this. Like I had saved this a long time ago, so it's crazy that Zach came across it because I feel like it's kind of rare. I feel like it was just made for me, so love her. And then another find by Zach. Oh my god, you guys are gonna die. You know I'm into the tops that tie right now in the back, so I had to get this vintage little fairy core top. Let me get up close so you can see the details. It has like a built-in layered tank, and then we have like the sparkly lace overlay with the rhinestones. Oh my gosh, the sleeves are sheer lace, nice and flowy. They have like a slit on them too. Now this is fairy core if I've ever seen it. Just so many fun details on this top. I love this. It's actually children's, but I don't care. It fits really good, and I feel like this is just so my style. So shout out to Zach again for finding this for me. He knows my style best. Okay, let's end the video with a little PR unboxing, shall we? There's a few things that I really wanted to show you guys. Look at what Hot Topic sent me. I already know what it is, but I wanted to show you guys. Oh my gosh. It is a pom-pom purin little fuzzy onesie romper. Look at the hood. Oh my god, it's got his ears. If you see me wearing this every day in my house, mind your business, okay? Wait, look at the back. No way they put his booty hole on the romper. I'm dead. Shout out to Hot Topic for sending me that. And then we also have a little package from Petite Moments, one of my favorite jewelry brands. Looks like they sent me some little fun summer pieces. This starfish set, bolo tie necklace, some matching earrings. Ooh, this is cute. Love. Ooh, I feel like I'll definitely wear this one a lot. That is very me. And the last package, I think is from Kylie Cosmetics, which is insane. I can't believe they're sending me stuff. I remember back in the day when Kylie Cosmetics first launched the lip kits, like I would just be sitting there on my phone waiting for them to drop. Like it was a hot commodity back then, okay? Ooh, oh my goodness. We have the Kai Brow stick, some lip butter, Kai Lash mascara, hybrid blush. I heard these were really good. Plumping powder matte lip. I feel like the color is gonna be really good on this. And then a eyeshadow palette, the classic matte palette. Ooh, this is perfect. This is like the type of eyeshadow I wear like every day. I was literally about to stop filming right now and then something else showed up at my door, so I have to show you guys. They are from the brand Melissa. They sent me a new pair of shoes and I already know they're gonna be so fire. They just came out with like a jelly heel collection and I'm really excited. Let's see. Oh, so cute. They gave me a little card. So cute. Guys, wait till you see these. Oh my god. Oh my god. They're like jelly wedges, but look at the little charm. And look at the sole. They look so comfortable. These are so like y2k baddie. Oh, these are fire. These are fire. Yep. Oh my god, you guys. I cannot wait to wear these all summer long. Super comfortable. 10 out of 10. Thank you, Melissa. Okay, that is all for today's haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely let me know in the comments what your favorite thrift find was. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok to see more of my everyday life. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!